One day, the fox was running on a dusty road. He was hot and thirsty. He saw some grapes hanging on the vine. I wish I could get those grapes, so he jumped and jumped again and again, but he could not get them. At last he gave up and said, I don't like those sour grapes. Yay! Clap Everybody was kung fu fighting. And then as fast as lightning.
Sige na kami lima lagi tayo.
Dance for all na, dance for all.
Dance for all.
Yeah!
Dance for all. At dance for all. Dance for all naman. Sige, dance for all.
Hello, si Lauren. Uy, ayun na yan, makakuha na nun siya. Lauren, what are you doing?
Okay, happy pure na, happy pure. Yes! Saan mo nag-game? Ito, game na lang. Sige. Ha? Sa ganito?
Hep, hep. Ano ito? Hep, hep. Hindi, no. Ano yun? Mag-rice na wala na.